Apple is set to launch the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max 5 months away from the next iPhone launch. The rumored features include a new design, a more bold and modern camera layout, a switch back to aluminum or aluminum materials, and an upgrade in the telephoto lens. The telephoto lens could reach 48 megapixels, providing better zoom quality, detailed crops, and sharper shots. The iPhone 17 Pro lineup also includes an 8K video recording feature, with the resolution likely to be 30 or 60 frames per second. This would be ideal for creators and videographers, as it can do 4K at 120 frames per second. The front-facing camera may be upgraded to 24 megapixels, resulting in sharper selfies, clearer FaceTime calls, and better low-light performance. Apple has been improving the durability of the screen, with rumors suggesting a bump in scratch resistance. The front glass might be even tougher this year, which is good news for those who have dropped their phone face down. The 17 Pro models might be slightly thicker to fit a larger battery inside, combining efficiency upgrades and all-day performance even with heavy use. Powering the N19 Pro chip is an advanced 3M process, resulting in better performance and lower power draw. Apple is also said to be making its own Wi-Fi 7 and 5G chips, ditching Qualcomm for its own in-house designs. This could lead to better performance, improved connectivity, and even more battery efficiency. RAM is also expected to increase from 8 gigs to 12 gigs this year, helping with multitasking, handling larger files, and powering advanced features like 8K video editing. Apple might be working on a new internal cooling system for the 17 Pro lineup to keep things cooler and more consistent over longer periods. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to offer significant improvements in design, camera upgrades, performance, and internals. The rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could be one of the most interesting iPhone updates in years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.